Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from AndroDollar.com and this is the Huawei Y5 Prime. This is one of the most affordable Huawei phones that you can buy right now. Since some of you guys actually requested to see a more affordable Huawei smartphone video here in the channel, here we go. If you're excited, smash that subscribe button right now and let's go ahead and unbox the Huawei Y5 Prime 2018. Having a look at the front of the box, it says Wi-Fi Prime. At the back of the box, it gives a brief on the specifications of this device, and up top it says TRC-SL approved, and finally at the bottom we have the IMEI number and all the other important information about the phone. Lifting the cover of the box up, we find the invoice along with the Huawei Wi-Fi Prime 2018 sitting right there on top. Keeping the device to the side for just a sec, we find the IMEI number and all of the other information about the device. Next we find a SIM ejector tool in this cover, and when you open it up you will find a screen protector included right inside the box. In the past, Huawei has actually been applying screen protectors to the phones, but this is also fine because you're still getting a screen protector. Next we have the quick start guide. It's up to you whether you want to read it or not. And next, most importantly, we have the warranty card. Next we find a hard plastic cover right inside the box. Again, it's really nice to see Huawei actually including all of this at an extremely affordable price. The included 3.5mm headphones aren't the in-ear design, so I'm not a big fan of this. Next we find the wall adapter that will be used to charging this phone. And finally you find the micro USB cable that you can plug into the charger and charge up the phone. Well, that's all when it comes to the contents of the box. So now let's go ahead and take the Wi-Fi Prime out of this plastic wrapping and see what it has to offer. As you see, I have purchased the gold color version of the phone, and at the back it has some instructions for you to get started. At the front there isn't much information. Now let's turn the phone back and get rid of these instructions at the back. Now you actually feel the naked device in your hand, and turning it on, it says Huawei powered by Android. Quickly skipping through the initial setup, we are now loaded into EMUI. Heading over to the settings, under About Phone you can see that the model is the Huawei Wi-Fi Prime 2018 and the model number is DRA-LX2. Currently it's running Android 8.1 Oreo along with EMUI. For all of you who are curious, now let's go ahead and see the specs of this device. First off, talking about the display, it has a 5.45-inch display. The CPU is a quad-core 1.5 GHz Cortex A53. This device has 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal memory. The rear-facing camera is a 13-megapixel shooter and you can even shoot up to 1080p. The front-facing camera is 5 megapixels and it even has a LED flash included. This device also has a 3020 mAh battery. Here's a list of all the specifications. Now let's have a quick look around the design of this device. At the front we find the sensors, earpiece, the front-facing camera along with a front-facing flash. At the bottom we have a microphone along with a micro USB port. On the right hand side we find the volume rockers along with the power button. Up top we have the 3.5mm headphone jack. On the left hand side we find the SIM tray. This device recently got the face unlock feature via a software update, so that's pretty awesome, especially considering the price that this device comes in. Talking about the price of the Huawei Wi-Fi Prime 2018, it is going for around 20,000 Sri Lankan rupees here in Sri Lanka. At that price, are you ready to buy this phone? Or if not, why? Let me know by dropping a comment down below. If you found this video useful, definitely go ahead and share this video with your friends and smash that subscribe button for more awesome tech videos just like this on YouTube. You can find me on social media. I am at Andro Dollar. All the links are given down below in the description. And stay tuned to AndroDollar.com for all the latest from the tech world. Until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.